It's NYC Nisi and my sister is about to do the voiceover for my hair, so yeah. As you can see guys, my sister is taking out her little products for when she's doing her hair. So right now what is she doing is like brushing her hair and parting it. And as you can see right there, she has her little edge gel, I think you call it, and yeah. Still brushing out that hair, girl. Oh, okay. So, if you're wondering what is she doing and why is she going on that side, for her part, she is actually going to be doing a zigzag ponytail hairstyle. So right now she's doing a zigzag part. Ooh, girl. Okay. Ooh, girl, them edges. Wait, hold up. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. So as you can see right now, she showed you guys her part and stuff. So yeah, and now we are just going to fasten it up with the flow and our parting. So as you can see right now, she is adjusting her oil that she uses, hair oil, for like growing out your hair and stuff. And yeah, so she is just going to put it inside her hair to like protect it and stuff and make her hair become longer. Well, it helps make it become longer. Girl, didn't you already part it?
A few moments later.
Didn't you already fully part it? Girl, you're supposed to, okay. Oh my gosh. So I guess she is done doing her part now, and yeah, she's really liking it. Girl, you ain't done yet. Zone. Like, just stop.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Now, as you can see, guys, now she is going to be using her brush to flatten down her hair and stuff for her little ponytails. And now we are going to be using our little hair ties slash rubber bands for her hair. So right now she's doing some down pigtails, I think that's what you call it. So yeah. Also guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you comment down below guys if you would like some more hair tutorials like these. So now we are almost done with our down pigtails, and now we are just going to put in our last hair tie. And yeah, and now we are just going to like do that to tighten in the rubber band. I guess we have to redo this one because it's probably uneven or puffing up again. That hair is very glossy, like not gonna lie, I have that inside my hair too, and it really helps with your hair, and it also grows it. I probably said that like a million times now, but it really makes it like nice and glossy and flat. And we are not just going to be like leaving it like down like that, but we're also going to, I think we should maybe just add a little bit of buns. And also now we are going to be using our edge gel. Okay, just to like let those edges pop. Like you can't be doing your hairstyle and you never do your edges, because like it's really going to mess up your hairstyle. And yeah, so yeah guys, I don't really know the edge ties, but I think she's doing like a little dramatic thing. I don't know. I don't really know edge ties, but like, yeah. Are we trying to like do the little swirl or something? Okay, yeah, so I guess she's trying to do a little swirl. Miss ma'am, you already used enough hair. Okay. Girl, how many times are you going to do that? Like, it's already flat. Okay, whatever. Now we're going to use some more edge gel to let that little swirl. Okay, whatever. Okay. Girl, you've been doing them edges like for like 10 minutes now. Hurry up. Wait. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now what we are going to be doing now is probably... What? Girl, what you holding out the brush for? Oh my gosh. Whatever. But... yeah. Again? Like... Okay. Just a little enough with the curly... Oh my gosh. It's okay. So now, guys, finally... forget it. Just forget it. What happened?
Oh my god, what is that?
So now, guys, what we are going to be doing now is twirling up the hair and wrapping it around in a circle to make it look like a bun at the bottom, of course. And then we might use another hair tie to settle it and keep it in shape to hold it. So we are going to be doing 2 buns, as you can see. And yeah, and you're just going to put the other hair tie over the bun, and you're done with that bun. And you just do the same for the other one. Twist it, twist it, twist it. And use another hair tie. So basically you'll be needing 4 hair ties for this hairstyle. And you'll be needing 2 hair ties if you're just going to leave your pigtails down. And pretty much, yeah, guys, we are done, guys. So yeah, it's very pretty, and then you can just add your little touch-ups when you're done doing your hairstyle. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And you can see Miss Ma'am posting, like, if she's in a TikTok doing something, she really feeling it. But yeah, guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.